everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about washing cars. Now, it's always great to have great internals, a new tune on your engine, a new way to drive your car to maximize the performance out of this vehicle. But if you have a dirty exterior, you're not really promoting the brand of the vehicle that you're driving. It doesn't actually do justice to what's capable inside. So you wash your car. Now, there are a few principles I've learned over the years in terms of washing a car. Really no substitute for lots of water, lots of soap, microfiber towels. But the interesting part is that that's the best time for you to scratch your car. And so make sure that you don't have any jewelry on you. Make sure you don't have any buttons, even plastic, that could scratch your car when you lean up against it and trying to clean it out. I usually try to wear a full gym shorts and shirt, ensuring there's nothing that could scratch this car. Now, why do I do that? Because ultimately, as you're cleaning your car, you could be rubbing dirt into it and causing issues and causing damage. Now, just as we wash our cars, not just once a year, but many times throughout the year, I think it's important for you to think about your career as that car, and that you need to polish your resume frequently. Now, the resume is washing your car. It's really polishing that up and getting the best part of you on paper and your skill sets and your capabilities. But what's really interesting is that if you wash your car or update your resume, even though you're not looking for another job, it gives you a great viewpoint and insight into what skills you need to stay relevant. By looking at your resume and by comparing that with things and jobs that you're interested in the future, you start to see that there are gaps in those requirements. And that gives you time to be able to grow those gaps and requirements, grow into those gaps, and to be able to get new skills. I think it's very relevant for today because of the fast-moving capabilities that are needed. These capabilities are very much software-driven, and they change from year to year. And so it's very important to understand these skill sets and to stay relevant. So I hope this was useful to you. Until next time, bye.